Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Bros channel. Have you ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of information with news and updates coming at you from all directions? What if there was a way to cut through the chaos and zero in on exactly what you need when you need it? Today, we're diving into Ancher, the revolutionary tool that's turning the world of news and productivity on its head. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Picture this, a personal assistant that's not just smart, but almost seems to anticipate your every need. We're talking about Ancher, a next-generation news and knowledge assistant that could transform how you manage information overload. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see why Ancher is more than just another app. It could very well become an indispensable part of your daily life. So, what exactly is Ancher? In a world awash with endless scrolling and fragmented updates, Ancher is crafted for those who crave clarity. It's designed to filter out the noise and highlight what truly matters to you. But it doesn't stop at news curation. Ancher integrates practical mini tools that consolidate scattered information, transforming your digital experience into one seamless flow. Imagine having all your essential tasks and information organized, so you can focus on what truly matters, your productivity. One of Ancher's standout features is its ability to save you precious time. How often have you found yourself deep in research only to realize you've been sifting through irrelevant data for hours? With Ancher, those days are history. It turns insights into impact by helping you act on information quickly and efficiently. Whether you're diving into research, creating content, or managing tasks, Ancher ensures that everything is faster and easier than ever before. Let's delve into the mini tools. Imagine not having to juggle multiple apps or tools. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Ancher is like a Swiss Army knife for your digital life. From task organization to time management, this app has got you covered. And here's the beauty of it all. Ancher is crafted to keep you informed and focused, eliminating the usual hassle of scattered information. Now, you might be wondering about the pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. Ancher is a significant time saver, expertly cutting through the noise to ensure you only see what's truly essential. Its integrated tools make it a powerhouse for boosting productivity. On the flip side, some might see it as just another app to download. But once you experience how it streamlines your workflow, you'll see that it's anything but. In summary, Ancher is not just an app. It's a powerful personal assistant designed for professionals who need to find information instantly, study smarter, write better, and conserve valuable time. If you're a professional looking to enhance productivity, Ancher could be the tool you've been searching for. If you're as intrigued by Ancher as I am, I encourage you to explore it for yourself. Download the app from the Apple App Store or check it out on the web. Don't forget, there's a special offer coming your way, a discount that you can access through a unique link or code. I'll share that with you as soon as it's available. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We've got more exciting content lined up, and you definitely won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.